Hi, guys. We're going to talk about the best blazer to bring with you when you're traveling or how to pack your blazer properly when you're going on the airplane. We're going to be talking about how to pack when you're traveling or the right clothes to bring with you when you are traveling. I just got back from Montreal and we're sort of talking about the best way or how to travel properly. And of course, we know about our wonderful 2-for-1 jackets, which are the best item to travel. What's great about them is that you've got the double duty. So you can wear this on the train, on the plane. This one with a little bit of that extra bib to give you a little bit more chest protection. So if you didn't feel like traveling with a heavy coat, you could just bring this on the plane or on the train. It's got that jersey stretch fabric, so it's super comfortable for traveling because you've got that 4-way stretch. And again, it just has that extra protection for you. So this is one that we've got from Strelson. So we've got wet from Strelson, we've got a bunch from Yo, and then we will have our Friday in Stockway. This is even better because the insert has a hood. So at least when you are going to someplace like Vancouver, where it's a little rainy, or Seattle, and again, you don't feel like packing an extra jacket with you, these double duty blazers are the best. And what's amazing is when you the insert, it looks like a regular blazer. So you can go right from the plane or the train and then right into a meeting. So you've got the hooded blazer with that tech stretch fabric. So if you're going someplace that is a little bit rainy or a little bit snowy, you're protected from the elements. And then when you get to your meeting, you unzip this and you have a perfectly business blazer that could take you into the meeting. Now, if you're somebody that is not doing the newest blazers, and of course the matching pants to go with it, that's all about travel and comfort, then what do you do with your existing blazer when you get on the plane and you want to take it off? Do not be what some guys do. They kind of crumple it up and they stick it above in the compartment. Do not do that. What you want to do is you're going to have your blazer like this. You want to turn it inside out. So you're going to pull the sleeves through and just punch up the shoulder so you don't ruin the shoulder pads. And then you want to tuck in one shoulder into the other shoulder. So this way all the lining is showing, and then fold it and then put it up in the compartment. The reason why you want to do that is you just want to be able to protect the outside blazer in case something happens. So even if you're rolling this up and putting it in your bag to travel, always put your blazer inside out and then tuck your shoulder into the other shoulder. Now either roll the blazer up or fold it and put it in your bag. Rolling actually will help reduce your bag by 30% if you roll all your garments as opposed to regularly just folding them. So if you roll it, it'll take up less space. And in addition, when you roll it, it's going to wrinkle less versus if you were folding it the regular way. So next time you're traveling, if you take off your jacket, because you're not wearing one of the jersey stretch one that makes it feel like you're wearing like your regular sweatshirt or your hoodie, take off your blazer inside out, tuck one shoulder pad into the other, and then roll it and fold it and put it in the upstairs compartment, or you could put this into your bag at this point because now it's going to be protected against anything that might spill. So there you have it. Some travel tips, and we will be announcing that we will be doing a party for Valentine's Day. It's either going to be FU Valentine's Day or Bloody Valentine's Day. You can tell we're a little bit not anti, but I do find if you're single, there's all this like, oh my God, it's Valentine's Day and I'm going to be alone. So no, you're going to come partying with us. Or if you're in a couple, you feel this obligation to pay for an overpriced meal that you have to book 2 months in advance. So again, you're going to come party with us. So we'll have more information about our B-Day party starting on February 14th.